Yes, what is the issue involved?
My lord, my lord, the appellant is no, my lord, he has died during the pendency of the appeal, my lord. But
He died?
his claim was, my lord, for promotion to, my lord, promotion to the post.
No.
My lord, the monetary benefit that will, my lord, his wife is getting the, my lord, the pensionary benefits, my lord. Whosoever, my lord, particular, my lord, bitumen scam, my lord, whosoever was posted the particular division, my lord, they were all roped in, my lord, as accused, my lord.
What
That
is-
was the case. After 7, 8, 9 years, my lord,
What
he
is
was,
status of investigation?
that I am not aware, my lord. I am oblivious with the state can, my lord.
Find out.
My lordship is well aware of the KB Janki Raman judgment, my lord, on the death of consideration, there's nothing pending as the, my lord, appellant, my lord. His
Whatever
promotion
you-
cannot be denied. On the
you-
basis of which annexure 4, my lord, of the division bench judgment, my lord, consider the case of the appellants, my lord, for promotion to the post of supreme engineer.
Find out.
My lord, this appeal is directed as the judgment dated 20th of February 2019, my lord, by which the writ application filed by the appellant petitioner, my lord, for promotion to the post of chief engineer in chief that has been rejected, my lord. The date, my lord, there are certain, my lord, annexures referable from the writ applications, my lord. Running page 53 of the writ application may kindly be seen, my lord. That is the final sanitary list of the, my lord, the assistant engineer, my lord.
Yes, what is the issue involved?
My lord, my lord, the appellant is no, my lord, he has died during the pendency of the appeal, my lord. But
He died?
his claim was, my lord, for promotion to, my lord, promotion to the post.
No, appellant has died.
My lord, that IA was filed, my lord, substitution petition was filed, my lord, that was allowed by the, my lord, the earlier order dated, your lordship may kindly see, my lord.
His wife is substituted.
No, then what survives in the LPA?
My lord, the monetary benefit that will, my lord, his wife is getting the, my lord, the pensionary benefits, my lord. She is getting pension, my lord, the monetary benefits.
Milord,
Person junior to the, my lord, the appellant, my lord.
Milord,
Appellant husband, my lord, was promoted to the post of chief engineer. His junior, my lord, that is annexure 10 may kindly be seen of the writ application, my lord.
This IA was allowed when?
That was last date, my lord. 26th April 2022, my lord. The order dated, my lord, 26th April 2022, my lord.
And you are for?
estate Milord, may kindly see Milord in short Milord para
You are
6
for
of
you are for the bank.
estate Milord. I am for estate Milord.
But this
May
court
kindly
has.
see Milord para 6 of impugned order Milord. Judgment of Reed Court Milord. Para
Item number? 22. He was a diploma holder.
My lord.
my Lord.
So therefore, how could he become a chief engineer?
My lord, the judgment upon which, my lord, my writ application was dismissed, my lord, that is dated, my lord, 5th of December 2012, my lord. That is annexure A, that is annexed as, my lord, annexure A to the, my lord, the counter file in the writ application, my lord. That cannot have retrospective effect, my lord. The petitioner, my lord, the appellant's husband, my lord, was claiming to be promoted to the post of chief engineer from, my lord, 23/8/99 and to the post of engineer chief, my lord, with effect from 31 December 2001. The date, my lord, on which his immediate junior was promoted, my lord. That is, my lord, reflected from the annexure 10, my lord, that is the final sanitary list of the assistant engineer, my lord. The person who, my lord, was junior, immediate junior to the my lord, the appellant petitioner, my lord, he was promoted to the post of chief engineer, my lord, 23/8/99, my lord, and, my lord, to the post of engineer chief, my lord, 31st December, my lord, 2001, my lord. And
But
the
how could he also be promoted in view of the these rules? Diploma holder has entered class 1 service by virtue of rule 8B
my lord.
as per 71 amendment. He cannot claim promotion to chief engineer.
Petitioner was, my lord, promoted to the post of superintendent engineer, my lord, with effect from the date his junior was promoted. That is dated 8/11/88, my lord.
That means
That was also, my lord, as per the rule, my lord.
So junior-
he cannot travel beyond the executive engineer, but he was promoted by virtue of the judgment of this small court, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see annexure 4 at page 30 of the, my lord, the writ application, my lord.
Junior had then also been wrongly promoted. Junior had been wrongly promoted. On that basis, you can't claim Article 14 or 16.
Annexure 4 At page 30 of the writ application may kindly be seen, my lord. That was the case, my lord. My lord, the petitioner moved, my lord, for promotion to the post of superintendent engineer with effect from 8/11/88. And that was being denied, my lord, on the ground of the pendency of the departmental proceeding, my lord. He lost before the honorable single judge, my lord, and then he moved to the, my lord, the division bench, my lord, the LPA, my lord. That has been allowed. In Annexure 4 at page 30 of the writ application may kindly be seen, my lord. As per the rule as per the rule, my lord, 8 of the, my lord, the engineering service class 1, my lord, upon which, my lord, that the diploma holder cannot travel beyond executive engineer. If had that been so, my lord, he would not be promoted to the post of superintendent engineer, my lord. And that plea was available to them, my lord, in the writ application, but that was not taken, my lord. The lordship may kindly see the annexure 4 at page 30, my lord. And the consequential benefit immunity from this annexure 4 that has been accorded to the, my lord, the appellant husband, my lord, when he was alive, my lord. And the judgment upon which, my lord, the writ application was dismissed, my lord, that is dated 5th of December 2012, my lord. That cannot be, my lord, given any retrospective effect, my lord. So as to, my lord, deny the claim to the, my lord, appellant husband, my lord, with effect from
What do you
99
say?
and 2001, my lord.
My lord.
What do you say?
My lord, the Rule 8B as per 1971 amendment, my lord, this rule is much earlier, my lord, existing. You cannot
in the
travel
mic,
beyond the
mic.
post of executive engineer, my
Speak,
lord.
speak
Diploma
in the
holder.
mic.
My lord, as per, my lord, Rule 8B, as per 1971, those cases, they cannot travel beyond the post of the executive engineer, my lord, diploma holder. Rule is of the year 1971, my lord. So, prospective effect or retrospective effect of judgment, it doesn't matter, my lord. Rule doesn't permit to diploma holder to promote beyond the promotional avenue, my lord. That is the last executive engineer.
There is no
My
precedent.
lord, he has filed.
No precedent.
No,
No judgment already existing on this point.
my lord, the, that's why, my lord, the honorable court has held that the petitioner who admittedly is a diploma holder and had become an executive engineer in class 1 service on 24/12/92 could not claim any promotion beyond the post of executive engineer since admittedly the petitioner had entered class 1 service by virtue of Rule 8B as per the 1971 amendment, my lord. So far, my lord, it has also been held, my lord, since junior of petitioner have been promoted to the post, the petitioner has a right to promotion as paid for the instant writ proceeding. It is
This appellant's name had figured in some CBI case also
also, my lord. And my lord, departmental
in
proceeding,
2005.
etc. My lord, during the departmental proceeding after, my lord, he has claimed during the pendency of departmental proceeding, he has filed another writ proceeding, my lord, in which,
No, what happened in that CBI case?
my lord,
He retired, my lord. My lord, the appellant's husband retired on 30th of September 2002 from the
No,
post of secretary,
no.
my lord. And his name come up, my lord, for the first time 2005, my lord. He was granted bail, my lord. His name was for the first time figured in 2005. Now he's no more, my lord. For the first time figured in 2005, and he was granted anticipated bail, my lord.
No, but what are the allegations?
Whosoever, my lord, particular, my lord, bitumen scam, my lord, whosoever was posted in particular division, my lord, they were all roped in, my lord, as accused, my lord.
What
That
is-
was the case. After 7, 8, 9 years, my lord,
What
he
is
was,
status of investigation?
that I am not aware, my lord. I am oblivious with the
Very
state can, my lord,
Very surprising. This court can't grant a relief to a person who has been clearly implicated in a CBI matter.
but on the date of cancellation, there was nothing pending as the petitions, my lord. The date of cancellation is 23/8/99 and, my lord, 31st December 2001.
now
His
this-
name came in the name, my
Now
lord.
this court is faced with a very strange situation. Either find out.
My lordship is well aware of the KB Janki Raman judgment, my lord, on the date of consideration, there is nothing pending as the my lord, the parent, my lord. This
Whatever,
promotion
you-
cannot be denied. On the
you-
basis of which annexure 4, my lord, of the division bench judgment, my lord, consider the case of the appellants, my lord, for promotion to the post of supreme engineer.
Find out what is the status of that matter.
Yes, he can tell me.
It's quite possible, it is quite possible that you may have been exonerated.
Yes. And what was the allegation, that he can also tell what was the allegation against the particular
My lord,
specific allegation
no,
against
no,
the my lord, the petitioner.
even if Milord suppose,
Inquiry has been put to learned counsel about the status of the CBI case in which name of the petitioner figured. CBI case registered in 2005 in which name of the petitioner figured. They pray for some time to seek instructions and apprise the court about the status thereof.
Milord,
Give August.
Milord, even if Milord rule doesn't permit Milord, even if Milord.
Oh, that's all right, but this is, he is a government servant and he is facing a CBI case.
Milord,
allegation.
the government cannot go beyond the promotional avenue of diploma holder, Milord. That is the problem, Milord.
That is a legal proposition that we will consider.